Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on Nintendo Switch. First, you will need to purchase and download Minecraft from the Nintendo eShop. Make sure your Nintendo Switch has at least 1 GB of available storage space for the game. Once downloaded, simply launch Minecraft from your Switch home menu. This will take you directly to the game's main title screen, ready for your adventure to begin. Now, let's cover the basic controls. Use the left joystick to move your character and the right joystick to control your camera view. Press the A button to jump and the B button to access your inventory, where you manage items. The ZL button is for placing blocks, while the ZR button is used for breaking them. These fundamental controls will help you navigate and interact with your Minecraft world effectively. Minecraft offers several exciting game modes. You can choose Survival Mode for resource gathering and crafting, Creative Mode for building without limits, or Adventure Mode for custom maps. When creating a new world, you can customize settings like difficulty and world type. You can also invite up to 7 friends to join your world, making for a fantastic multiplayer experience on your Nintendo Switch. To enhance your gameplay, focus on crafting essential tools and weapons early on. A pickaxe, axe, and sword are crucial for gathering resources and defending yourself. Explore the diverse biomes from forests to deserts to discover unique materials. Finally, connect with the vast online Minecraft community. You can find countless tips, tricks, and shared experiences to enrich your journey on the Nintendo Switch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.